Forget expensive cleanses. Your body already has a built-in detox system. Today, we'll reveal 7 everyday foods that naturally support your body's cleansing power. First up, let's talk about lemons. These bright yellow fruits are not only a staple in kitchens around the world, but they're also packed with health benefits that can make a real difference in your daily routine. Lemons have been cherished for centuries, both for their tangy flavor and their powerful nutritional properties. Whether you use them in cooking, baking, or simply as a refreshing addition to your water, lemons are a true superfood that deserve a place in your morning ritual. Imagine starting your day with a soothing glass of warm lemon water. This simple habit does more than just quench your thirst. Warm lemon water helps to rehydrate your body after a night's sleep, kickstarting your metabolism and preparing your digestive system for the day ahead. The gentle acidity of lemon juice can stimulate the production of digestive juices, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Plus, it gives your liver a gentle nudge, encouraging it to flush out toxins that have built up overnight. One of the standout nutrients in lemons is vitamin C. This essential vitamin acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, vitamin C supports your immune system, keeps your skin looking radiant, and even helps your body heal faster from minor injuries. The natural compounds in lemons also have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making them a great ally during cold and flu season. Incorporating lemon water into your morning routine couldn't be easier. All you need to do is cut a fresh lemon in half and squeeze the juice from one half into a cup of warm, not boiling water. Stir gently, and your revitalizing drink is ready. There's no need for complicated recipes or extreme diets. Just this simple, natural step can make a noticeable difference in how you feel throughout the day. By making lemon water a part of your morning, you're setting a positive, healthy tone for the rest of your day. This small act supports your body's natural detoxification process, boosts your hydration, and provides a gentle energy lift. Over time, you may notice clearer skin, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system, all from the humble lemon. So tomorrow morning, reach for a lemon and start your day with this refreshing, health-boosting ritual. Next, let's talk about garlic, a humble kitchen staple that's been treasured for centuries, not just for its bold flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Garlic has been used in traditional medicine across many cultures, and modern science continues to uncover its powerful properties. One of the key reasons garlic is so beneficial is because of its unique sulfur compounds, especially a compound called allicin. When you chop, crush, or mince garlic, these compounds are activated. Allicin, in particular, is known to boost your liver's natural detoxification enzymes, helping your body break down and eliminate harmful toxins more efficiently. This process supports your liver's crucial role as your body's main detox organ. But that's not all. Garlic is also packed with antioxidants, including selenium, which work together to protect your liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient to illness and infection. Including garlic in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall health. For maximum benefit, it's best to chop or crush garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This resting period allows the allicin to fully develop, maximizing its health-boosting effects. Then add it to your favorite dishes, whether it's soups, stir-fries, salads, or roasted vegetables. Remember, consistency is key. By making garlic a regular part of your daily meals, you'll support ongoing cleansing, enhance your immune defenses, and promote long-term liver health. So don't hesitate to reach for garlic the next time you're in the kitchen. Your body will thank you. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, which protect your cells and support liver health. It hydrates, gently flushes your system, and helps reduce inflammation. Brew with hot, not boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes to preserve its benefits. Swap your afternoon soda for green tea to boost your body's natural defenses. Beetroot's deep color comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that support liver detox and reduce inflammation. Beets also improve blood flow, helping your organs filter and eliminate waste more efficiently. Enjoy them roasted, raw, or juiced. Don't forget the nutritious beet greens. Their fiber keeps your digestion regular, ensuring toxins are swiftly removed. Ginger soothes digestion, reduces inflammation, and keeps things moving in your gut, key for natural cleansing. Its active compound, gingerol, is a potent antioxidant that helps your detox organs work efficiently. Add fresh ginger to tea, stir-fries, or smoothies for a spicy, cleansing boost. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your diet. These vibrant vegetables are not only visually appealing with their deep green hues, but they also pack a powerful nutritional punch that can transform your health from the inside out. One of the standout features of leafy greens is their high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color, acts as a natural detoxifier. It binds to toxins and heavy metals in your body, helping to neutralize and remove them through your digestive system. This process supports your body's natural cleansing mechanisms, making leafy greens an essential part of any detox routine. In addition to chlorophyll, leafy greens are loaded with dietary fiber. This fiber acts like a gentle broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and helping to eliminate waste and toxins efficiently. Regular consumption of fiber-rich greens can promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and support a balanced gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall wellness. Leafy greens are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients play a vital role in fueling your liver's detoxification enzymes, which are responsible for breaking down and eliminating harmful substances from your body. Cruciferous greens like kale and arugula contain unique compounds, such as glucosinolates, that further enhance your liver's ability to detoxify, supporting both phases of the liver's natural cleansing process. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily meals is simple and delicious. Add a generous handful to your morning smoothie, toss them into salads for lunch, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil as a flavorful side dish at dinner. Aim for at least 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens every day to maximize their detoxifying benefits and support your body's overall health. Whether you enjoy them raw, cooked, or blended, leafy greens truly are the ultimate green machines for cleansing your body and boosting your vitality. By making them a regular part of your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, detoxify, and feel its very best. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory that protects and boosts your liver's detox power. It stimulates bile flow and increases glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. For best absorption, always pair turmeric with black pepper. Add it to meals or make golden milk for a daily anti-inflammatory cleansing boost. There you have it, 7 simple, powerful foods to support your body's natural cleansing systems. Consistently adding these to your meals builds lasting wellness. No extreme diets required. Let us know your favorite cleansing food in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips.